We're the Chews, and we've traveled to over 50 countries traveling the world affordably. But this time, we're in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, where we went ziplining through the jungle, canyoneering down the Damajagua waterfalls with natural slides and cliff jumps, off-roading in dune buggies, and snorkeling during a boat day that took us through the sandbank in the middle of the ocean. We also explored local beaches and got a deeper look at Dominican culture and heritage, all while staying at a beautiful budget-friendly all-inclusive resort. If you're wondering whether Puerto Plata should be on your bucket list, we'll show you what it's really like and exactly what it costs. Let's get into it. What's up, explorers? Welcome back to our channel. We're the Choose here from Choose to Explore, where we teach you guys how to see the world.
Save $1.
So we're here for our third time in none other than the beautiful Dominican Republic. But this time we're super excited because this time we'll be visiting Puerto Plata. But it's not just us this time, it's also my brother-in-law and my mother-in-law. So super excited to share this with you guys. In order to enter as U.S. citizens, all we had to do was fill out an e-ticket form and have a valid passport. So let's go and let's get the show on the road. So from the airport, we got picked up and they drove us about an hour and a half through the mountains. Man, it's so beautiful and lush here in the Dominican Republic. And we are here at Viva Heavens by Wyndham. And this is a beautiful resort. We just checked in. Now, upon arrival, all four of us got a welcome drink. It was really good. And we saw beautiful dancing right on arrival. That's a warm welcome that I hope to experience everywhere that I go. So my mother-in-law and my brother are downstairs on the second floor, and we are upstairs. It's a beautiful open bedroom. We have a king-size bed, nice-sized bathroom. And I love coming out. We have a balcony that you can go and see the golf course that's right here. Also, they surprised us with a ton of really cool amenities that we're super excited to use and have for this trip. So let's put our bags down and let's get this trip started.
Alright, so by the time that we arrived here at the resort, it was a little bit after 3 o'clock, and lunch is actually from 12:30 to 3, so we did miss lunch, but that doesn't mean we had to go hungry. So there's actually a really great snack bar right by the beach, so we took a little stroll and we grabbed some of the things available to us there at the snack bar. So I had things like pizza, there were nachos, different things that really held us over until dinner. And after we ate and enjoyed our time right there, we just kind of chilled at the beach, which was really nice, really relaxing. Got to see all the beautiful blue waves and the soft sand, and it was a great time to just relax. So at 7 o'clock, we actually had reservations at the Mexican restaurant, which was Puebla 222, and it was a really great 4-course meal entree option. So there was something for everybody, and we really had a really great dinner. Also tonight, they let us know that they're having a discoteca from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. and that is a party. But you know, I don't know that we're gonna make it out because we do have a really early start tomorrow because we have a really cool excursion that we're going on tomorrow. So stay tuned to see if we make it out or if we're just gonna, you know, go to sleep.
Good morning. Another beautiful day here in the Dominican Republic. We got up early and we had breakfast. Now, breakfast is really good here. They have a wide assortment of different foods. Liv got ready-made omelet and bacon and a lot of different things. But now we're heading out to go on a culture escape. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go. Alright, so I thought we were actually doing a city tour, but it looks like we are doing a cultural tour. And our first stop of the day is in a cheese factory. So we're learning about how they make the cheese, this whole process, how they package it, wax it, and then ship it to the locals and other places that need it. So definitely interesting. Alright, so we just had a great time at the chocolate factory. We learned about all of the fruits, the vegetables that they have and they grow here to support locals. And it was really cool. We got to try a lot of different forms of chocolate, dark, white chocolate. And honestly, what was really interesting to me is like the cacao fruit by itself is so good and sweet. Like everybody talks about chocolate, but the fruit is really good, and it's like a real creamy texture. It's really good. Then after that, we went and had local coffee and met some locals, and really good and interesting experience. So it's currently 9:30 a.m., but India is never a bad time for some rum. Alright, so lunch was really good. It had a wide variety of different things. We ate at two-piece restaurant. I had chicken, carne that is, just like the beef, rices, and different things. Even Liv got some eggplant. But we just made it here on our next stop. We are at a tobacco farm. Well, seeing the process of them making the tobacco and the cigars. The Dominican Republic is world renowned for their amazing cigars. And this definitely reminds us of when we were in Cuba and we saw the process as well. But truly amazing and good to see. Buenos dias, another beautiful day here in the Dominican Republic. So it's currently about 7 o'clock. We just went and got breakfast because we got a long day ahead today where we'll be exploring a super cool and unique destination here in Dominican Republic. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. Alright, so about an hour 45 later, we made it here at Paradise Island Beach Resort. It's a beautiful day. White sand beach here, beautiful. Nice clear water behind us. Let's chill, relax. Also included in this was free breakfast and other things. So let's enjoy it. All right, you ready to get on the luxury yacht, my boy?
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Vámonos. Alright, so we just had a real beautiful boat ride, yacht ride, I guess. The water is so beautiful, it's dark shades of blue, but we made it right here at the sandbank and it's amazing. It's soft white sand, super soft, like you can feel your feet just sinking in, and water so clear, and there's a beautiful reef here as well. So Tristan and I are gonna go snorkel and hopefully see some fish. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we made it to our next spot. This is like a swimming pool. Like all of this clear, beautiful water is all shallow water that we can go and explore, and definitely amazing here. We're gonna swim and have a good time. Alright, so next up we got our champagne, we got our ceviche, and it's time to eat. It's having a great time today. All right, and now the next part here. We just got out of these beautiful mangroves. That's the national park here. Just beautiful, but let's head on out. Also included in the tour is a great lunch. So we got lobster, we got rice, beans, we got fish, we got chicken. A lot of really good food, drinks also included. So let's enjoy this. Good morning, good morning. Another beautiful day here in the Dominican Republic. So we actually just got breakfast this morning, and now we're doing one of my favorite activities. Today's actually a 3-in-1 tour where we'll be going through Damajagua Waterfall, we'll be ziplining, we'll be doing buggies. So let's get this tour started now. Alright, so in order for us to enter, we needed a life jacket, we needed a helmet. If you don't have water shoes, you could rent them. It's about 100 pesos. And yeah, let's go and let's enter this waterfall. You ready? Alright, so we made it here at the top to now go down and zip line. It took us about 40 minutes, give or take. There was a good amount of rest breaks, but there's really rocky and there are stairs as well. You can go at your own pace, but it took some time to get there. But we're here at the top and let's zip line down. Alright, so far we did 3 different zip lines. We got 2 more to go, 1 more suspension bridge, but having a good time. Well, I am. I don't know about them, but I'm having a good time. Alright, so now we're going across the suspension bridge. See, it's very safe. We're definitely attached and we're holding on. Okay? Don't look down. Alright, so we just finished the 5 zip lines, 2 suspension bridges. Talk to me about your experience.
It was good. I was scared at first, and then got it.
Okay. Anything you want to say?
I've never zip lined because I've been afraid of it, and I'm still afraid of it.
Okay.
Exhilarating.
There we go. You heard it, guys. But now, let's enter this waterfall. Alright, so we just finished Damajagua Waterfall and it was an amazing experience. We had a couple of jumps, we had some slides, it was going in. At first that water was so cold, but once you're in there, it kind of gets refreshing and feels good. Now, it was good for me, but mother-in-law and Liv, they were having the worst time. They felt like they're not even on vacation no more. But Tris was a little nervous, but overall, how was it?
It was good. The slides was fun. In the water, it got warm after a while.
Yeah, I mean, honestly though, when I jumped off the last one, I went under and my camera got lost down there. And thank God, shout out to these guys because they went down there and they grabbed it for me. But truly an amazing experience. I highly recommend it here, guys. All right, so we just ate lunch, pretty good lunch, but now we are about to get into boogies. You ready, Liv?
There's 2 people over here, 2 people
She look
over
like
there.
she ready. Alright, so we locked in. Are we ready to go? Liv still don't got her helmet on. Well, she's ready to go. Alright, so we just rode in the boogies for probably like 10 minutes, but it was quite an adventure, right? She says this has been her worst day on vacation from all of the adventure activities, and Tristan said a piece of horse poop actually landed on him when he was there, so he had to throw it off. But as you see, we are dirty and nasty, but we're at the beach and we're about to wash ourselves off, so let's go.
As best as we can.
Yeah. Back to the boogies. You ready? Liv says she don't know why we washed off in the ocean just to come back in the buggy. Like, we're about to get dirty again, but hopefully not too much. Right? No, I want to get dirty. Let's go. Good morning, good morning. Another beautiful day here at Viva Heavens Resort in Puerto Plata. And unfortunately, it's our last day here. But before we leave, we have to go and have a massage. So let's go. And just like that, we made it to the airport. Our time here in Dominican Republic is done. And we had such an amazing time. We cannot wait to come back. So thank you guys so much for checking out our channel. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.